What's going on, guys? And as y'all know, I ruined my sway bar, and this is the new sway bar I bought off Amazon. It was $28 on Amazon per two. These will just be temporary because I'm gonna get the OEM ones back. I'm gonna see if anybody could rethread the thread, so I could put the OEM one back on. So yeah, I'm just gonna show y'all how I'm gonna do this. But you know, I'm still learning, so if y'all have any like tips or something when I'm in the process of doing this, just leave it in the comment below. So this is, you know, a beginner trying to do this, so if I fuck up, I fuck up, and that's just the process of learning. So I already fucked up on taking the sway link out, the sway bar link out, so I bought new ones. So yeah, don't shame me for that, but let go. So in the box, it comes with two. So these are the left ones. As you can tell, these are the left ones, and those are the right ones. I don't know if I should put two at the same time to even it out, because I don't know if it'll ruin how the car moves or anything. So this is just temporary, by the way, so yeah. So first, I have my jack here, and I kind of pumped it up to where it could be ride height, so I could take that out easier. And as you can see, I already pumped it up to the height, and I could probably take it out now easily. And then there's just one nut here, so I'm gonna remove that nut. And yeah, let's do it. For the nut, it is a 17, so let's remove it. That was simple. Now it should be easy to just take out. There you have it. For the new ones, it did come with new bolts, as you can see. Let's install it. All right, so let's put it in. And then for this, you're gonna want to drop your jack down just a little bit. I want to jack it up a little bit, like that. And there you have it. It should have went in smoothly. You just got to keep pumping it up a little bit, and you just got to push it in. And there you go. Should be in pretty good. A little bit more. There you have it. Should be in. And now, first, try not to strip this shit. The new nuts that came in the A Premium sway bar links, they are 19s. So, let's tighten it. Now let's tighten the bottom ones. Now let's install these ones. There you have it. Just steady in there. Whew. Now that we got the sway bar link installed, now we can put on back the wheel. Sure. And then to make sure that all the wheels are torqued incorrectly, we have this torque wrench. And they have numbers on it. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, we need to set it to 80. It should be at 80. There you go. And tighten it. my car has been sitting here for about 3-4 days, so let's start it up and take it on a test drive to see if we fucked up the sway bar or not, or did we fuck up any suspension problems in the front left. So let's go. So now let's test it going slow. Excuse me. Let's go left, right. Shit. Whoops. We're going left, right. Alright, so it's smooth. I didn't fuck up the suspension or anything. We can still drive. So if I would have done all 4, I would have been straight. You feel me? See, after that one sway bar bolt, I just lost all my confidence, honestly. But I could have got all of it done by the time I posted this video, or if not earlier. But yeah, let's take it on a drive to see if I fucked anything up. There you go. Alright, nothing's going on yet, but and plus I haven't driven this for the past 4 days, so I'm kind of missing this shit right now. Whew. Man, fuck that bolt! That one fucking bolt! Shit, bro. But everything is driving smoothly. Oh, it's smooth, it's smooth, it's smooth. So there's no clunking noises or anything. So that's a plus. That's a huge plus. That means I didn't do anything wrong. So I basically took out everything, put everything back in, and I learned a lot from it actually. Like, although this is my first car that I ever worked on, like, I'm so glad I haven't fucked up anything yet besides that one fucking bolt. It's not even a, how do you say it? It is a mechanic issue, like, not a mechanic issue, but it's just a me problem, you know? Because I was just so hard-headed that I thought I could do it, which I could do it, but just taking out that sway bar, it was just, I didn't watch the full tutorial when I did it, so that's why I kind of fucked it up. Like, I hammered the fuck out of it, which you're not supposed to hammer the fuck out of it, so feels good. Super nice. Yeah. Same old, same old. Let me just pull over so I can end the video. But whew. Let me put y'all back down. So this marks it for the end of the video. If y'all enjoyed the video or learned anything, or if I needed help with anything, like I did something wrong, just comment down below and I'll make sure to not do it in the future. And that is why on my YouTube channel I do all this stuff, so if I mess up, y'all don't mess up, you know, because I'm the test dummy. So yeah, please subscribe, because for y'all watching, I'm not a pro. I'm a beginner learning this shit in a new car. And I know it's very stupid, but shit, y'all here with me. So yeah, please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and more videos coming soon. This is gonna be like a, not a cheap build, but an average good build. So yeah, and stickers are gonna drop soon. By the time I post this video, the stickers should be on the site. But yeah, make sure to cop some. If y'all cop like a pants, I'll make sure to throw a sticker in there for y'all, because thank y'all for supporting. You know, we're at 1,100 right now, road to 10,000. But yeah, love y'all. See y'all next time after I put my long screens on. Yeah, let go.